Guys, we'll be doing an unboxing and a tablescape in this video.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, as you see, is going to be a tablescape. This will be one of many tablescapes that I'll be doing for 2018 for the Christmas season. And I just love how this came out. It is so cute. I got this idea to do this tablescape based on these placemats here, and also because of this two-tier tray that I got from Ross maybe 2 years ago, and I just love it. I wish I have gotten more than one. And guys, please excuse my voice. I do have a slight cold. It is that time of season. Without further ado, let's jump on into the video. But before we do that, please hit that subscribe button. Once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So we're gonna start with the two-tier tray. These are some houses. Well, these two houses I got from the Target Bullseye Spot, and I just love them. They can be used throughout the season. They go perfect with the Christmas season. And I also got these little wreaths from the Target Bullseye Spot too. And the various houses that you see, some of them I got from the Target Bullseye Spot and some of them I got from Walmart. And the little Santa workshop sign there and this little wagon here, I got from Target Bullseye Spot, and they were only $1 each, and I just think they are so cute. And I also featured these salt and pepper shakers that I got on sale at Target, but as you see, I'm not using them. Well, they are being used as salt and pepper shakers. They're salt and pepper shakers, but I'm, just using them as decor to go along with my little houses. And I just think they're so cute. And the little people here came in a pack from the Dollar Tree. And I just think the whole look came together so nice, guys. Like I said, this is just a simple tablescape, nothing too extravagant, but the total look just looks really well put together. And my believe sign also came from Target. So I always like to show you guys how I put my placemats together. And I did a simple place setting. Right here are some placemats that I got from Ross, and they came in a pack of 4. And I just thought they were so cute. The little wagon reminds me of the little wagon that I have here. And I just thought that was so cute. And then I have these chargers that I got from Target a couple years back, and my simple white dinnerware. And these are some place cards holders that I got from Target, and they were on sale, and I featured them in a haul, and I just thought they were so cute. They look like the little white houses that I have here, and I just placed a red napkin in between the 2 plates, and it just so cute. And I did the same thing here. The only difference is these little place card holders that I got from Target, and I got these maybe a year or 2 ago, and I just love them. It's so cute how they have like the little tiny mason jar, and inside it has a Christmas tree with the little snow. That is so cute, guys. And I just placed my red napkin in a different way, but I love how this look came together. Like I said, it's very simple and it's so cute. And I also have the coasters to go with the chargers, and I just placed a green glass there. And yeah, guys, I love how this look came together. If you love this tablescape, give it a thumbs up, comment, because it is just so cute to me, guys. So I'm just gonna stroll around, give you a different look. And if you hear some little feet in the background, that's my dog. There he is. Guys, I know this is a little late, but I also wanted to share with you my FabFitFun subscription for the, I think this is the winter box. And as always, you have your little magazine or pamphlet or whatever you want to call it, and some other stuff like a coupon and This says share the love of FabFitFun. Pass this card on and your friend will get $10 off their first box. And then let's just jump on into the box itself. So I'm going to give you guys a look at what's inside. The first thing is this hydrating cream mask by Havava. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. As you see, it hydrates and it is a cream mask. So we're gonna look in our booklet. Like I said before in previous magazines, they do give you information about the items that you receive in your box. So for this cream, as you see on the bottom there, I hope it focuses. It has enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. Creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. The tip for this product is to use it as a 3-minute hydration boost or as an overnight sleeping mask. So I always love any type of facial products. I think it's very important and essential for any woman of any age to take very good care of her skin. So I'm very excited about receiving that in my box. The next item is Elevate 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. Ooh, I always want to try oils. You know, I hear a lot of people talk about great things about oils, so I am very excited about receiving that. And so let's see what they say about this product. Unlike typical essential oils, these oils can be applied directly onto the skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms, while sweet oil eases stomach cramps and headaches. So this came just in time, guys, because as you can tell, I do have a cold, so I will be using this tonight because I am so stuffy and achy. And the tip is check out page 20 to learn all of the ways you can use essential oils. So it asks you to look on page 20. So I'm going to turn to page 20 for you guys. 17 to 20. So this is page 20. No, 17, 18. Here is page 20. And as you see, it is your ultimate guide to essential oils. It gives you different ways to use your different oils. So I definitely will be looking at that page. Very, very helpful, guys. I always like to, when I do my videos, feature this magazine because it has so many different articles, not only telling you about the products that you receive, but it has a host of different information. So when you have your subscription, always check out this little magazine here because, like I said, it has a host of information for you. The next item is Thrive, and this is, what is this? This is a highlighting stick. So I got the highlighting stick, and I'm gonna take it out the packaging, and here it looks out the packaging. Very nice packaging, very sleek, and infused with macadamia and metal foam oil. The silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. Tip, highlight the inner corner of your eyes for a brightening effect. So I'm going to take the lid off so you guys can see how it looks. Can you guys see that? So I'm pretty sure after I get over this cold, I'm going to be needing some eye brightener. The next item is Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. Let's open up. So I don't have to open it up. It does feature the colors on the back, and it is some lovely fall colors. You have some transition colors, some smoky eye colors. This would be a great palette to throw in your bag to travel with, because like I said, it has all the colors you would need to make a great fall eye. So I'm glad about that. I need to open this up so you guys can see how it looks. So I did open it up for you guys, and it has great packaging. Oh, look at those colors. This is a nice eyeshadow palette. Or you could use this as a stocking stuffer, or maybe a gift for, you know, one of your makeup lovers in your family for Christmas. That's really nice. The next item are these eye masks by Black, and you get 5 masks in the pack. And let me see what these say. Okay guys, we're gonna see what the book says about this product here. It's asking you, is your under eye area swollen or puffy? Yes. Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. And the price of this was $29. The tip is leave the eye mask on for 10 or 15 minutes before carefully peeling off the skin. And I didn't tell you how much the other items were. The cream mask was $33. The highlighter stick was $24. And the palette was $36. The next item is this Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Eye Defining Exfoliator. Guys, you have to excuse me. Like I said, I do have a slight cold. So let's read what they say about this. And I don't see this, guys. I think this is an add-on that I had chose. So I don't see this in my book. So this might have just been an add-on. And that's how it looks out the packaging. It's a real good size, and I don't know how much I paid for this. And then the next item is a necklace, and I think this was no, this wasn't an add-on. This actually came in the box. It is Lily Shed. You see it. That's the name of it. It is a circle necklace. This is the outside packaging, guys, and this is what came in the packaging. This is a circle necklace. It is so cute and dainty. Be perfect to wear with any top that you have. How gorgeous is this necklace? It is a minimalist yet statement-making piece with its dainty silver-plated brass chain and chic silver-plated circle pendant. The cost of this was $49. This tip, stored in a velvet, satin, or fabric lined jewelry pouch like the H. Hudson jewelry portfolio. So it's asking you to store it in a velvet or satin or fabric lined jewelry pouch to make it last and keep it shiny. The next item is Bear Paw, and this is what I need, guys. You know, I have a short haircut. Sometimes you don't always feel like wearing a full beanie, so you can just wear a headband. I'm gonna open it up. So this is how it looks, guys, and I love it. It comes with some nice gloves, has the finger out, but it does have the cover where you can cover up your fingers, and it has fur inside to keep you nice and warm around your head and your ears. So let you see. Well, I'm going to read to you what it says in the magazine. It says, slip on the ultra soft 100 polyester shepherd lined headband and fingerless gloves to beat the winter chill all season long. The tip is check out page 9 for the cutest hairstyles to pair with your headband. So, ooh, let's go to page 9 and see what kind of styles they came up with. So, this is page 9, and it's showing you different styles that you can wear your headband. I just think that is so neat, guys. So, you know, as you see, this magazine is always full of great ideas and suggestions. It's very helpful. And I cannot express to you how important it is to always look through your magazine that comes in your box. So the next item is a throw. And it is Mark and Graham personalized gifts. And I got the natural ivory color. Or did I get the natural gray color? I think this is natural and ivory. And I forgot to tell you, the cost of the gloves and the headband was $45. The cost of this throw was $49. And the tip for this is to hand wash cold and lay flat to dry. So that is cute. I'm not going to open it up because it is kind of big. But guys, overall, I really like this subscription. I like everything that I used to get in FabFitFun. It is an awesome subscription box. You get quality items. It is definitely worth the money. So that is all for my subscription this season, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.